In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Drive with Notion. This integration is really handy if you use Notion to organize your work or studies and you keep your documents, slides, or spreadsheets in Google Drive. By connecting the two, you can quickly embed and access your Drive files directly from your Notion pages without constantly switching tabs. Let's start inside Notion on your home page. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace where you want this integration to live. From here, look toward the top left of the screen for the main menu and open your workspace settings. Depending on your version, this might appear as Settings or Settings and Members. Go ahead and click that to open the Settings panel. Inside the Settings panel, you'll see different sections in a sidebar. Find the section labeled Connections. This is where Notion lets you manage and add integrations to your workspace. Click on Connections to move into that area. On the Connections page, look for the option that says Browse Connections in Gallery. This will open Notion's Integration Gallery, which is a collection of apps and services that can connect with your workspace. Click that button, and it should open in a new view or tab. Once the gallery is open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into the search bar and start typing Google Drive. As you type, Notion will filter the list of integrations. When you see the Google Drive integration appear in the results, click on it to open its details page. On the Google Drive integration page, you'll see a description and an option to add it to your workspace. Click the button that says Add to Notion. This tells Notion you want to install and use this integration. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to approve adding this connection. Review the prompt, then click OK to continue. This step just confirms that you're allowing Notion to connect to an external service. Next, you'll see an option to Connect. Click on Connect to start linking your Google account. At this point, you'll be taken through a series of prompts from Google. Choose the Google account you want to use, review the permissions being requested, and then allow access. Make sure you're using the account that actually holds the Drive files you plan to embed in Notion. Once you've completed all of those prompts, your Google Drive will be successfully integrated with Notion, and you're ready to start attaching Drive files directly into your pages.